Hello, kindergarteners. Welcome to art class. I'm Miss Langford, and I will be your art teacher for the next 9 weeks. And then you'll switch to a different special. So I'm going to make 2 videos each week for you to watch and do the activity. Now, if you want to send me a picture of your completed work, you can send it to this address. It's A. Langford at danvillesd.org. So you'll have to show your parents so they know my email address if you want to share your work with me. Okay, so you watch the video on lines, and you might think, why are lines so important for art? Well, the answer is you can't make a drawing without lines. So we're going to practice some of our lines that we heard in the video. Can you think of an animal whose body makes a straight line? That was a little hint. If you're thinking a snake, you are right. So we're going to make some straight line snakes, a curvy snake, and a zigzag snake. All right, so here's my paper, and I have a pencil. So I'm going to start with a straight snake that's up and down. So I'm going to draw the head first. So the head is kind of like an ovally shape. And I'm going to give it a tongue and 2 eyes. And now I want to make sure that I draw the body so it's going straight down. So I'm going to kind of come in a little bit because its body gets skinnier as it goes down. Now, if you want to put some designs in your snake, you can. So I think I'll just give this guy some stripes. But you can make whatever design you want. So in the video, this straight kind of line is called a vertical line. I'll write the word, but you don't have to. That means it goes up and down. So it's a straight line up and down. Now, if at any time I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and catch up and then restart the video. So my next snake I'm going to make is going to be another straight line, but it's going to go across the paper. So this will be the horizontal snake. So I'm going to start with the tail this time. And then draw the head. Give it a little tongue and some eyes. Put some design on it. So this one is the horizontal line. That's a line that goes straight across. Okay, my third snake is going to be a straight line, but it's going to be slanted like this. Do you remember what that one's called? That one's called a diagonal line. So again, I'm going to start with the tail and then I'm going to add the head. So he's diagonal. And then I'm just going to add a little curvy line design. So without the different kinds of lines we talked about, we wouldn't even be able to draw these snakes. Okay, so there are 3 straight line snakes, a vertical, a horizontal, and a diagonal. All right, so I'm going to move my paper up, and I'm going to be doing 2 snakes at the bottom. So when a snake slithers, it curves its body in and out, in and out. So we're going to draw a wavy snake like he's moving. So just make a wavy line like that. And then I'm going to make another one exactly like that one underneath it. And then draw the head over here. So that kind of looks like a snake that's moving. So that wavy line gives it movement. And I'll just put some circles on this one for a design. Okay. And then the last snake I'm going to do is going to be a crazy zigzag snake. So I'm going to do zigzag lines, which look like mountains. So you go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then I'll do another line the same way. And then the snake's head might not fit on the paper, but we can see most of it. So you can see his eyes, you just can't see his tongue. But snakes don't have points, so this snake, you would not see this snake. It couldn't be a zigzag. But it's funny to make one. It's a funny looking snake, right? And let's see, what will I put in this one? Maybe some stripes this way. Okay, so now when you have your five snakes drawn, you're going to be able to color them. So you could use colored pencils, crayons, or markers, whatever you have at your house. So I added the word wavy here because this is our wavy snake, and this one is our zigzag, so I added the word zigzag. Okay, so now I'll just quickly show you one that I made earlier that I started to color. So you can see, you can color it in patterns, or you can color it all one color, or you can color it lots of different colors. That part's up to you. All right, so let's review. Can you tell me what these 3 kinds of lines are? So they're all straight lines. Now, can you tell me what their names are, their specific names? This will be hard. Vertical, horizontal, diagonal. And then what kind of line is this line? Wavy line. And how about this one? Zigzag line. And in the video, they also talked about spirals that go around and around and around. So we could have drawn a snake like that. And it talked about how lines can be long or short or thick or thin. So a thick line would be kind of a fatter line, and a thin line would be skinny. And then short and long. So I hope you enjoyed learning about lines. And remember, we need lines in order to make the pictures that we want to draw. So I will see you later this week for another video. Until then, have a great week. Bye.